This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Miranda Blah. The nation is celebrating the 71st Republic Day today. The main function will be organized today at Rajpath in the national capital. President Ram Nath Kovind will take the salute of the parade. This year, visiting Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro will be the chief guest. 16 states and union territories and 6 central ministries will participate in the Republic Day parade. The major attraction of this year's Republic Day parade will be flypast by the newly inducted Chinook and Apache helicopters along with Sukhoi in advanced light helicopters. Governors and chief ministers of all the northeastern states will unfurl the national flag and numerous cultural programs will mark the day. President Ram Nath Kovind has emphasized that both government and opposition must move forward in tandem to ensure the country's development and welfare of its people. Addressing the nation on the eve of the 71st Republic Day celebrations, the president said the government has taken concrete steps to strengthen the internal security system. The president added that access to health and education is the foundation of good governance, and in both these sectors, the country has come a long way in 7 decades. He said the government has taken consistent efforts to ensure an overall development of every part of the country, from Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, the states of the northeast and the islands in the Indian Ocean. The city of Shillong witnessed the first ever Carnival of Peace and Harmony yesterday as part of the week-long Meghalaya Day Celebrations. Led by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, the Carnival procession passed through the busy streets of Shillong city, showcasing different ethnic communities of the state and neighbouring regions. Part of the city came to a standstill as the procession marched towards State Central Library with different music and dances accompanying the crowd. Onlookers were amazed and waved at participants to see different faces belonging to different communities in their traditional attires. Cyclists from the Meghalaya Cycling Association also participated in the procession, following the crowd who were moving in tune with the music. The Assam government has clarified that neither union territory would be formed by carving out areas of the state nor new villages would be included in the Bodoland Territorial Council area. Talking to news persons in Guwahati, Assam Finance Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma ruled out the reports of a media house that new districts would be set up as part of the Bodo peace process. The minister said that the centre clarified that the territorial integrity of Assam would be preserved. Sarma also said that the Assam government will also lodge an FIR against one Sarjil Imam for his alleged inflammatory statement at a rally in New Delhi. Along with the rest of the country, the 10th National Voters' Day was celebrated in Shillong and other parts of Meghalaya yesterday. In Shillong, the main function was held at Assam Christi Kendra, where Chief Secretary M.S. Rao was present as a chief guest along with the Chief Electoral Officer F.R. Karkongor and others. Epic cards were handed over to several newly enrolled voters. Prizes were also given to the winners of National Voters' Day Run, which was held in the city. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma in a tweet said that youth should empower their future by enrolling themselves. All India Radio Shillong has informed that there will be a change in the news timing of Garo, Jaintia and Khasi this evening due to Mann Ki Baat, a broadcast to the people of India by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, which will be aired from 6 p.m. Hence, the news in Garo will come at 8 p.m. to be followed by news in Jaintia at 8:10 p.m. and the news in Khasi at 8:20 p.m. today. Veteran politician, former governor and former chief minister of Nagaland, S.C. Jamir, has been conferred with the third highest civilian award, Padma Bhushan, in the field of public affairs. He was among the 16 Padma Bhushan recipients of this year, which was announced on the eve of the 71st Republic Day. Dr. S.C. Jamir was the governor of Odisha, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Goa. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.